Trump's master plan, the real reason behind 50% tariffs on India. What if I told you Trump's tariff war isn't chaos at all? What if this is part of a calculated master plan to reshape the global economy? Just days ago, Trump threatened a 50% tariff on India, a move that could crush our IT, pharma and textile exports worth over $80 billion every year. Indian markets already lost 4 lakh crores in just 2 trading sessions. But listen carefully. This is part of a 3-step strategy that aims to divide the world into green, yellow and red buckets. By the end of this video, you will know why your portfolio, your job and India's economic future may never be the same. On August 27, 2025, the US officially doubled tariffs on Indian goods, an additional 25% on top of the existing 25%. That's a crushing 50% duty. Executive Order 14,329 says this is a punishment for India's import of Russian oil and defensive hardware. The message is crystal clear. Abandon Russia or face economic destruction. Sensex crashed by 849 points in one day. Nifty fell by 255 points. BSE companies lost 6 lakh crores in market value. Of our $86.5 billion in exports to the US, $60 billion now face a 50% tariff. Exports could plunge by 70%. That's hundreds of thousands of Indian jobs at risk. TCS, Infosys, Wipro are panicking. Pharma giants like Dr. Reddy and Cipla are exposed. Textiles already struggling, facing a $15 billion wipeout. Here is how the tariff bomb hits Indian industry. Textiles, $10 billion in exports. A shirt that cost $10 from India now costs $16 in America. Bangladesh sells it for $13.2. We are out of the market. Gems and jewelry, $10 billion in export. In Surat, 80% of world's diamonds are cut. Prices have collapsed. A diamond packet worth 25,000 rupees last year now sells for 18,000. Seafood and leather ki baat kare to 25,000 crore shrimp exports are at risk. $870 million of export is gone. A $100 Indian shoe now has $50 of duty slapped on it. This isn't just about numbers, it's millions of livelihoods. Entire hubs shutting down, relationships with buyers built over decades breaking overnight. Trump's Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent recently said tariffs have begun the process of reorienting international economics. Notice the word begun. This 50% tariff isn't the end. It's step 1 of a 3-part master plan. Step 1. Tariff chaos. Create pain. Stock market crashes do not matter. Leverage does. Step 2. Reciprocal tariffs. Whatever you charge us, we charge you back. Level the field. Step 3 is the Mar-a-Lago Accords. The New World Order. Nations split into green bucket allies with trade privileges or red bucket enemies isolated. This is Trump's endgame. A new Bretton Woods, a new world order. India now faces an impossible choice. Trump's advisor Peter Navarro has already offered a deal. Stop buying Russian oil, get 25% relief on tariffs. But this isn't just about oil, it's about India's independence. Do we abandon our non-alignment or face short-term economic devastation? Analysts have warned GDP growth could fall below 6%. Unemployment already at 7.1% could explode. And that's why you need to stay updated. At Discover AI, we break down these complex shifts so you know exactly how they impact your portfolio. The damage is real. Export orders are gone. Production is moving to Bangladesh, Vietnam, Mexico. Once buyers switch, they rarely come back. Bangladesh now has a 30% cost advantage in textiles. Vietnam is taking electronics and Indonesia is eating into leather exports. The rupee is weakening. FIs pulled out 15,000 crores last month. Bond yields are climbing. PM Modi calls this an era of economic selfishness. He promises GST reform by Diwali and self-reliance. But is defiance enough against the world's largest economy? Here are the 2 paths that we have. 1. India bends, joins America's order. Or 2. We resist and pay the price but keep our independence. For investors, this means volatility. Defense stocks may surge, IT may fall, and pharma may pivot. We are watching the end of the old world order. The next 90 days will decide the next 50 years. Are you positioning your investments properly? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. The global economic order is being rewritten. Don't get left behind. If you want to watch more such videos and financial breakdowns, do not forget to follow our channel, Discover AI.